Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up cell phone protection with T-Mobile Money Visa step by step clearly. To set up cell phone protection with T-Mobile Money Visa, start by opening your T-Mobile Money app. If you haven't already, log into your T-Mobile Money account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Look for the option that mentions Mobile Device Protection. Tap on this option to read through the coverage information to understand what's included. Next, select the Enroll Now button to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to enter the details of your mobile device. Provide the make and model of your phone accurately. Confirm your device's purchase date, which can typically be found on your receipt or purchase confirmation email. After entering your device information, review the terms and conditions. Make sure to read them carefully before agreeing to the policy. Once you agree to the terms, you might need to accept a payment method. Choose from your existing T-Mobile Money balance or add a new payment method if necessary. Confirm your selection and proceed to finalize your enrollment. You will receive a confirmation email once your enrollment is successful. Keep this email for your records as it contains important information about your coverage. If you have any questions during the process, you can access customer support through the app. Congratulations, your cell phone protection with T-Mobile Money Visa is now set up. You are now covered against accidental damage, theft, and other qualifying issues. Make sure to review the coverage details periodically for any updates or changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.